viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel Biology Vlogs. Myself Reshma Murali. So today in this video I will be discussing about GATE 2022. So what is the full form of GATE? GATE is Graduate Aptitude Test in Engineering. So it is not only for engineering, it is for all the other science subjects. So first let's see the highlights of GATE 2022. So what are the eligibility criteria for writing this exam? First one, a candidate who is currently studying in the third or higher years of any undergraduate degree program or has already completed any government approved degree program in engineering or technology or architecture, science, commerce, arts is eligible to write the GATE 2022 examination. So this is the eligibility criteria for writing this examination. So for undergraduate also, those who have completed the undergraduate programs are eligible to write this examination in the streams, especially engineering, technology, architecture, science, commerce, arts, all are eligible for writing this examination. And there is no age limit to appear for GATE 2022 examination. The application will be accepted online through the GATE 2022 website. The website link is given. So this is the website link. And even if a candidate is appearing for two purposes, for example, if the candidate is appearing for life science and for chemistry, the candidate should fill only one application form. Okay, so that is the one thing you have to notice. So the other highlights are GATE 2022 scorecard will remain valid for 3 years. So the GATE score is valid for 3 years from the date of announcement of results. The details are available at the official website, and the organizing institute of this examination is Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur. Okay, so there will be people who don't know why to write this examination. Okay, so what is the purpose of writing this examination? The first one is scholarship or assistance for postgraduate programs. So if we are qualified GATE examination, we will be getting scholarship to do postgraduate programs. For example, if you are a BTech student and if you want to do a MTech, then you have to get a GATE score. Okay, so to do the postgraduate programs we need GATE score, and also some authorities are providing employment on the basis of GATE score. For example, BARC, Baba Atomic Research Center, there they will be recruiting scientific officers on the basis of GATE score, and also other authorities like Bharat Heavy Electrical Limited, Gas Authority of India Limited, Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, Indian Oil Corporation Limited, then National Thermal Power Corporation, then Nuclear Power Corporation of India Limited, then Oil and Natural Gas Corporation ONGC, and Power Grid Corporation of India. So all these authorities, they provide employment on the basis of GATE score. Okay, so these authorities are based on chemistry or engineering. Okay, so those who have completed engineering or chemistry, they can get employment on the basis of the GATE score in these authorities. So let's see the pattern of examination. So the examination mode will be a computer based test and the duration is 3 hours. Number of subjects. So the total number of subjects are 29, and sections, 2 sections are there. First section is general aptitude and the second section is that candidate selected subject. Okay, type of questions. In A part, multiple choice questions are available, then multiple select questions, and or numerical answer type questions are also available. It is depending upon the which subject you are going to write the examination. Based on the subject, this pattern will vary. Questions for testing these abilities. So recall, comprehension, application, analysis and synthesis. So an application level and comprehension, recall, analysis and synthesis. So all those mode of questions will be there. Number of questions will be 10 general aptitude questions, then around 55 subject questions, so total 65 questions. So in the case of life science, so the code is XL. For the life science people, the code will be XL. So there will be 15 marks for general aptitude question and subject questions will be 85 marks. Okay, so total 100 marks. Okay, so out of 100 marks, 15 questions will be asked from general aptitude section, and for 85 marks questions will be asked from subject related questions, that means life science related questions. Marking scheme is questions carry 1 mark and 2 marks. So 1 mark questions are also there, 2 mark questions are also there, and negative marking is also there. So for a wrong answer, so there will be negative marking for 1 mark MCQ. So in the case of 1 mark MCQ, they will deduct 1/3 mark, okay, if the answer is wrong. Likewise, for 2 mark MCQs, they will deduct 2/3 mark for the wrong answer. So that will be the negative marking pattern. So this is the pattern for Excel paper, that is life science paper. So chemistry is compulsory in this section. For 25 marks they will be asking chemistry, okay, and there will be 5 life science oriented papers, that is biochemistry, that code is Q, botany code R, microbiology code S, and zoology code T, and food technology code U. Okay, so out of these 5 papers you have to opt 2 subjects. Okay, you can opt biochemistry or botany or microbiology and zoology. Like in which subject you are strong, you can select accordingly. Okay, so 2 into 30. So there are 2 sections. You have to opt. First section is 25 marks, that is chemistry, that is a compulsory paper, and the second section will be life science. There will be 5 papers in that. Among them you have to choose only 2 subjects. Okay, so 2 into 30, total 60 marks. So general aptitude marks will be 15 and subject marks 25 questions from chemistry plus 2 into 30, that is 2 marks into 30 questions. So total 100 marks. Okay, the total time will be 180 minutes, that is 3 hours. So now the important dates related to GATE 2022. So the online application process opens on 30th August 2021. It's already open. You can see the online application form in this link. Okay, and the closing date of regular online registration or application process is 24th September 2021, and end of extended period for online registration is 1st October 2021. The last date for change of category, paper and examination city, so that will be 12th November 2021. The admit card will be available for download from 3rd January 2022. So you will be having nearly 6 months to prepare for the examination. So the GATE 2022 examination will be conducted from 5th February 2022. It will be according to the subject they will organize the examination. The announcement of results in the online application portal is 17th March 2022. Okay, so these are the important dates related to GATE 2022. So those who haven't registered or applied for this examination, please apply. So there will be date. So 24th September till 24th September 2021 you can apply. So that's for the GATE application process and the notifications. So if you have any doubts related to this examination, so please comment on the comment box. So we can see next video with a new topic. Okay, bye.